Hi, this is Abhishek. Welcome to the new episode of Travel Story. Today, we are going to explore this beautiful location near Mumbai. Gaimukh Chowpati is a beautiful place adjacent to Thane Creek, which is located between Parsik and Yeoor Hills. The Chowpati was named in the memory of Swargiya Babasaheb Thackeray, who was one of the great leaders in Maharashtra. People from Thane and Mumbai can easily reach at this place by road. This is the best place to visit at weekends with family and friends. The beautiful surroundings and food stalls are a treat for travelers. This is an amazing location for visitors to capture photos and videos. You can also visit Sanghamitra Kalibari temple, which is near to the Gaimukh Chowpati. While entering the temple, this beautiful artwork attracts everyone's attention. There are beautiful sculptures on the roof of the temple. These idols on the wall of the temple captivate everyone who comes. That's all about this place. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay connected for upcoming travel stories.